Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful idea and beautiful designs like top sweater styling and color blocking and colorful idea top sweater shirts. So I hope you like it. Different and latest sweater shirt styles pattern like creating a crochet guardian sweater is a charming idea. Here are some pattern ideas for different colors and different color blocking styles ideas. So I hope you like it, my videos and my channel. Like flower looks and creating a crochet flower guardian sweater can be a delightful and digital twin style project. Here are simple pattern ideas and different looks and different sleeves, front and stylish flower appliques and flower motif using a combination of chain stitches, single crochet, double crochet and slip stitches. Experiment with different petals, shapes and size to create a variety. And attach the flowers motif to the back panel and front panel and sleeves using a yarn needle and matching yarns. So I hope you like.